for us the disobedient man. This is the story of Ibrahim Ibn Adham, peace be upon him, giving advice against disobedience. A man came to Ibrahim Ibn Adham, peace be upon him, and said, "Abu Ishaq, I am unable to control myself. Please give me something to help me with it." "If you accept 5 conditions," said Ibrahim, "and are able to put them into practice, your disobedience will not cause you any problem." "Just tell me what they are, Abu Ishaq," the disobedient man said. "The first is that when you want to disobey Allah, peace be upon him, you do not eat anything he provides." "Then how will I get anything to eat? Everything on the earth is from him," said the disobedient man. "So is it right to eat what Allah, peace be upon him, provides you with and then disobey him at the same time?" replied Ibrahim. "No, it is not," said the disobedient man. "What is the second condition?" "When you want to disobey him, move off his land." "That is even more difficult," exclaimed the man. "In that case, where will I live?" "Is it right to eat his provision and live on his land and then to disobey him?" asked Ibrahim. "No, it is not," replied the man. "What is the third condition?" "When you want to disobey Allah, peace be upon him, in spite of eating his provision and living on his land, find a place where he will not see you and disobey him there." "What do you mean, Ibrahim? He knows everything that happens, even in the most hidden of the places," said the disobedient man. "So is it right to disobey him when you eat his provision and live on his land, when you know that he can see everything you do?" questioned Ibrahim. "It certainly is not," the man replied. Subscribe for next parts.